Hi friends, in this episode of Pilotsmith, we bring to you our new turbojet blender with thermic fluid heating system. This machine is used to mix powders with liquids while heating them. At first, thermic fluid present in thermic fluid generator is heated using heater coils, after which it is transferred into sidewall jacket of turbojet blender for heating the materials to be added inside the blender. This thermic fluid is then continuously circulated between the external tank and blender for optimum performance and long life of thermic fluid. This is done using a circulation pump coupled to a motor. Thermic fluid temperature can be adjusted using temperature controller. Raw material powder and appropriate liquid is added at specified time periods into the turbojet blender for even thorough blending by left and right ribbons while the material mix is heated. Lumps formed during the process is powdered by high-speed turbine attached to inner wall of blender. Final output is collected out by manually opening the knife gate valve. Turbojet blender and thermic fluid generator are constructed in 304 grade stainless steel. Feed guard grill is provided for operator safety during raw material feeding, and glass wool insulation on blender sidewalls conserve heat energy and makes it safe to touch. The ribbons are powered by a 10 HP motor, while the circulation pump and turbine is powered by 1 HP motor.